Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about iVIZIA eye drop. So you should buy this product or not, and what is the uses of this product, and what are the precautions you should take while using this product. Okay, so in this video we will cover lots of information about this product. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you this product is available on amazon.com. okay, and you can see the ratings of this product is really amazing. Okay, and if we talk about what is the use of this product. Okay, so this is the lubricant for your eyes, or you can say if you are facing any kind of issue related to these kind of symptoms like redness, sting or blurring, blurred vision, sensitivity to light or excessive tearing, and foreign body sensation, itchiness or eye yield chemistry. Okay, so it means your eye is in the effect of dryness. Okay, your eye is facing a dry eyes problem. Okay, so this kind of drop, or you can say this drop, is very helpful for this kind of issues. Okay, if you are facing any issue which is related to this kind of symptoms and the doctor is recommended you for you can say you need to use this product, your doctor is recommended you, so it means you are using a good drop. Okay, and if you are going to use this product without doctor consultation, it means you need to consult your doctor at least once before using product, because any eye related product, any which is a sensitive part of our body, any product which is related to sensitive part of our body, you should not use without doctor consultation. Okay, so this video is only for education purpose, and you can use this product. The brand is very old, you can see 10 years old from now, and the trust score of the brand is also very popular. And you can, the best part of this product is you can purchase this product very easily on amazon.com, Crozer, CVS Pharmacy, Walgreen, Target, or you can say Walmart. You can buy this product very easily from these platforms, so it means this is 100% legit and working and good brand. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any experience, please share your thoughts, and you can use this product if you are facing any kind of issue related to this thing. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.